Alright guys, gals, on part 2 of Gen 3 HEMI Tech turbo build. We got our headers all welded up and ready to go, V-bands, and got them stubbing out pretty close to even with each other. We got a timing cover on, and what we're gonna do is we got to figure out, because on one of them we gotta come over and cross over to the other one, because we're just doing a single turbo here. So I figured that roughly about 7 inches off of the timing cover should clear me enough space to clear the belts, but yet give me enough room out in the engine compartment for a radiator and some kind of electric fan, and off of this collector here. So this is what we're gonna do, is we're gonna come over here, stub over, and I'll show you guys that. Alright, as you guys can see, got a 90 coming off of here. Got a lot, left ourselves enough room for any of the dampener issues that we might have. Don't mind this taped up. This is just, I'm just trying to get a measurement here to give you guys a pretty good idea of what how I got plans of putting everything together. This setup actually is coming out very, very clean. I'm very happy with it. As you can see, I had to kind of pie cut a couple of 90s for my merge. Still have to clean it up a little bit, but I just wanted to give you guys a understanding of what and how we did this. I left this one unwelded, just tacked in, just so I could, in case I had to change anything, but everything else got welded up. It was good to go.